I would like to say a few words to the local person. If her manners are anything like my mother, I'm sure we will allow more people.
The Queen's horror may set down bowls of soup. The Queen had completely forgotten to tell the new cook that soup was forbidden throughout the land.
The Queen was fearing that the beast had gone her body. The wicked prince Prince had taken hold. Sleeping Beauty had scared off Prince Charming with her terrible manners. Sure, Prince Charming was something of a snob. But what about the next young man who came to dinner? What if Sleeping Beauty had scared him off too? The Queen decided to find a new cook at once. But Sleeping Beauty begged him not to. Until now, she had never tasted soup, and she loved it.